A vibrant sunflower meadow glows under the sun, alive with cheerful sounds. A sea of gold stretching to the horizon. Clara, a small but clever crow, hops among the flowers with her friends, their joy a stark contrast to the growing unease. The river dwindles, a life source fading, as sunflowers droop and berries shrivel, mirroring the animal's worry. Clara looks around, determination in her bright eyes, sensing a call to action amid the fading beauty. Under the moonlit sky, Clara confronts the gnarled old willow tree, its branches whispering ancient secrets on the wind. Clara studies a delicate map of feathers and twigs, her guide through the perilous whispering woods. The woods stretch before her dark, mysterious, and filled with unknown dangers lurking in the shadows. Venture deep, child, the old willow tree whispers. The crystal spring awaits where ancient magic sleeps. Clara arrives at the crystal spring, only to find her path blocked by a giant stone puzzle, ancient and imposing, guided by whispers and clues. Clara manipulates the stones with care, each movement precise and filled with purpose. A final click reverberates through the air as the puzzle unlocks, a surge of anticipation building within Clara. Magical waters gush forth, revitalizing the land as Clara declares triumphantly, "I have saved my home."